respected teachers and present all over here. I, Madan of MBA branch, would like to present you PPT in the topic of industrial relationship. Before starting a PPT, let's look over the content. So I'll be covering these things in my PPT, meaning, objective, parties involved in industrial relationship, importance, principles, and example. So guys, what's the first thing came into mind when I said the word industrial relationship? Will you tell me what is industrial relationship? Any of you?
They are the relationship between the employer and the employer within the organization.
Okay. Okay, so basically, let's talk in easy way. Like, what is relationship? Basically, the relationship between employers and employer in this initial relationship, there are two terms: industry and relation. Which refers any activity followed in the organization by individual or group of people uh, to produce something or any other activities is known as industrial relationship. And what are the objective? Basically, to bring out about sound and healthy relationship between employees and employees to maintain industrial democracy. Like there should not be any lockouts in industrial due to some problem, to achieve harmonious and mutually beneficial labor management relations, to avoid unhealthy atmosphere in the industry, especially work stoppages, go slow, and chaos, strikes, and lockouts, to safeguard the right and interest of both labor and management by enlisting their cooperation. How does it work in the industries? Like labor relations, labor relations means like labor relations into middle level of management. जो भी management उनको बोलता है करने को, they should follow the orders. And group relations is like a top level management. They decide all the activities, procedures followed by middle level management and low level management. And third one is employer and employee relations. Importance in initial relationship. First thing is uninterrupted production. The most important benefit of initial benefit is that it ensures continuity of production. This means employment for all involved, right from managers to workers. It means there should not be any disturbance in the work. It should be proper flow of any activity followed in the organization. Second one is reduction in initial disputes. Good initial relations reduce initial disputes, strike, grievance, and lockouts are some of the reflection of initial unrest. Now, it also help in to look over the lockouts. Like if something there is wrong in industries, so there might be chance of lockouts, strikes by the labor as well. High morale. Good initial improve the morale of the employees and motivate the worker.